Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about articles in English grammar. There are three articles in English language: a, and, the. Look at these pictures: an elephant, a mouse, a starfish, an orange, a book, a river, a bottle. Here you can see that articles are used before the nouns. These words, that is a and an, are used to point out nouns are called articles. Children, do you know how many letters in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Among them, 5 letters are vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O, U. All the other letters, that is 21 letters, are called consonants. Now let's see the use of article a. A is used before singular nouns which begin with a consonant sound. For example, a cat, a parrot, a school, a flower. All the first letters in these words begin with a consonant sound. Now, let's see the use of an. We use an before singular nouns which begin with a vowel sound. For example, an engine, an owl, an eel, an ice cream. Here, all the first letters in these words begin with a vowel sound. Articles a and an are used to show a singular noun. They are used to talk about a thing in general. Now, let's look the usage of article the. The is used before singular and plural nouns. We use the when we talk of particular person, place, animal, or thing. Look at these examples. The parrot in that cage can talk. In this sentence, you can understand which parrot. The parrot in that cage. Second sentence, the boy in the red shirt is my cousin. Here also you know which boy. The boy in the red shirt. Second point, we use the when we talk about the same noun in second time. For example, I saw an elephant. The elephant was eating grass. I went to a restaurant. The restaurant is close to my house. Here you can see that we use the when the same noun is used again. Next we use the when there is only one thing of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. We also use the before the names of rivers such as the Ganga, the Yamuna. Before the names of famous books like the Bible, the Ramayana, and so on. We also use the before the names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Red Fort, etc. Children, we do not use any articles before the names of countries and people. For example, the Ravi, the Megha, the India, the France, like that. So children, hope you have understood which are the articles and their usage in sentences. So all of you read the examples given in your textbook and do your exercises carefully. That's all for today. Thank you.